It can't fly, yet it outruns most cars. Its legs look like something straight out of the dinosaur age. Its eyes are larger than its brain, and a single egg is the size of 24 chicken eggs. Any guesses? We're talking about the ostrich, one of the strangest and most fascinating animals on Earth. Known as the giant of the savannah, this bird is not only a record breaker in nature, but also the center of a multi-million-dollar industry. From lean red meat and high-end leather to show-stopping feathers and eggs that resemble pieces of art, the ostrich has become a powerhouse of both biology and business. Today, ostriches aren't just running wild across the African plains. They are being bred in specialized farms around the world, from South Africa and Namibia to Texas, Australia, and even Latin America. Behind this bird's quirky appearance lies a carefully designed production model that blends science, patience, and serious profit. But how does it all work? How do ostriches reproduce in captivity? What does it take to incubate an egg that weighs over 3 pounds? How is their skin transformed into handbags worth thousands of dollars? And why has ostrich meat become a favorite among chefs and health-conscious consumers? In this video, we'll dive deep into the surprising world of ostrich farming and processing, from the mesmerizing mating dance to the cutting-edge facilities that handle their meat, leather, and feathers. You'll see step by step how this bird went from a symbol of the wild to a key player in global agribusiness. Get ready, because sometimes the most profitable industries don't have scales or fur, they have feathers. The ostrich is a bird like no other. Standing up to 9 feet tall and weighing more than 330 pounds, it holds the title of the largest bird on Earth. While its wings are useless for flight, its long, muscular legs make it the fastest two-legged runner alive. In a sprint, an ostrich can reach speeds of 45 miles per hour and maintain them for nearly half a mile. That's faster than most horses, and almost every car in a crowded city street. Ostriches have been part of human history for thousands of years. In ancient Egypt, their feathers were worn by pharaohs as a symbol of truth and justice. Today, they play a very different role. Their meat, leather, feathers, and eggs fuel a global industry worth billions. But what truly sets this bird apart are its biological oddities. Its eyes are larger than its brain, giving it excellent vision across the open plains. Its kick is so powerful, it can kill a lion with a single blow. And then there are the eggs, weighing up to 3 pounds. Each one contains the equivalent of 24 chicken eggs. The shell is so tough, it can support the weight of an adult person, yet it can still be cracked with the right strike. One myth has followed ostriches for centuries: the idea that they bury their heads in the sand when threatened. In reality, they do no such thing. Instead, they flatten their bodies against the ground to blend with the terrain, or, if cornered, unleash those deadly kicks. Strange, strong, and full of surprises, the ostrich is more than a biological wonder. It's a living factory. Every part of its body has value. Meat sold as a healthy alternative to beef, leather used in luxury fashion, and eggs and feathers marketed worldwide. This rare combination of nature and profitability explains why more and more farms are investing in these giant birds. If you think ostriches are strange when standing still, just wait until you see how they court. The mating ritual of the ostrich is one of the most theatrical performances in the animal kingdom, and it plays a critical role in farming because without it, there are no eggs, no chicks, and no profits. It all begins with the male. To catch the attention of a female, he lowers his body close to the ground, stretches out his wings, and begins to sway rhythmically from side to side. His feathers puff out, his wings flap, and he shakes the tips dramatically while producing deep, booming sounds that echo across the enclosure. To an outsider, it looks like a bizarre dance. To the female, it's a test of health and vitality. If the display is strong and convincing, the female responds with a signal of her own. She crouches low to the ground, flattening her body and extending her wings slightly, an unmistakable invitation. The male then approaches with deliberate steps, circles her briefly, and mating takes place. The act itself is quick, but the impact is enormous. It can result in dozens of eggs during a single breeding season. On farms, breeders carefully observe this ritual. Not every male and female are compatible. Some pairs never click, while others produce consistently fertile eggs. Finding the right match is essential, because each egg can be worth a significant amount of money once it's processed into meat, leather, or decorative products. A healthy female ostrich can lay between 40 and 60 eggs in one season. For farmers, that's a treasure chest waiting to be collected. Each egg represents a chance to raise a bird that, within a year, can provide hundreds of dollars worth of products. So what may look like an awkward dance of feathers and stomping feet is, in reality, the very first step of a multi-million-dollar supply chain. Nature's choreography, perfected over millennia, continues to sustain a modern industry in the 21st century. When a female ostrich lays her eggs, the real work begins. Each egg is a treasure, weighing up to 3 pounds, strong enough to support an adult's weight, yet fragile in terms of what lies inside. For farmers, every egg represents both potential and profit. In the wild, both parents share incubation duties. The female blends with the sandy ground during the day, while the darker male guards the nest at night. Together, they keep the eggs at just the right temperature. On commercial farms, this task is taken over by machines. Eggs are collected daily and transferred to specialized incubators, where every detail is controlled. The temperature is held steady between 96.8 and 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, 36 to 37 degrees Celsius, and humidity levels remain within 30 to 40%. Even slight variations can harm the embryo, so farms rely on constant monitoring and alarms to keep conditions perfect. For the 42 to 46 days of incubation, the eggs must be rotated several times each day. Automated systems gently turn them, mimicking what the parents would naturally do. Farmers also use candling, shining a light through the shell to monitor development and remove infertile or failing eggs. Losing a single egg means losing weeks of effort and hundreds of dollars in potential value. That's why farms treat each one like a biological investment. When the shell finally begins to crack, it marks the end of weeks of precision and patience. What emerges is not just a chick, but the start of a cycle that will lead to meat, leather, feathers, and products coveted around the world. When an ostrich chick finally breaks free from its shell, the journey is far from over. At hatching, the chick already weighs close to 2 pounds, yet it is incredibly fragile. The first few weeks are the most critical stage of its life, where survival depends entirely on careful management. Temperature control is essential. Chicks are housed in warm enclosures kept between 82 and 86 degrees Fahrenheit, 28 to 30 degrees Celsius. Floors are padded with soft bedding to protect their still developing legs from injury. Even a small fall can cause permanent damage, and in an animal built for running, strong legs are everything. Feeding starts early with a carefully balanced diet rich in protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. The goal is rapid, healthy growth and a strong immune system. At this stage, disease is a major threat. To reduce risk, farms enforce strict biosecurity, limited human contact, controlled lighting, and minimal noise. Stress is one of the biggest dangers, capable of causing digestive issues or even sudden death. As chicks grow, they are gradually introduced to outdoor environments. Sunlight strengthens their bones, while exercise builds stamina and coordination. By 3 months, they can weigh more than 50 pounds and begin to display the alertness and curiosity characteristic of adults. Still, the mortality rate can be high without expert care. With proper protocols, however, more than 90% of chicks survive to adulthood, transforming from delicate hatchlings into valuable assets. For farmers, every chick that survives represents more than just an animal. It's the foundation of future revenue. Within a year, it will provide meat, leather, feathers, and eggs, proving that in ostrich farming, survival directly equals profit. By the time an ostrich reaches 10 to 14 months of age, weighing close to 220 pounds, it is ready for processing. This is a pivotal moment for farmers, the stage where years of investment finally translate into tangible products. It's also one of the most tightly regulated steps, balancing efficiency with animal welfare. Processing takes place in specialized facilities that follow strict hygiene and humane handling protocols. The goal is clear: minimize stress. A stressed animal produces tougher meat, which reduces its market value. To prevent this, ostriches are first stunned, ensuring they are unconscious before slaughter. From there, the process moves quickly: bleeding, evisceration, and separation of the carcass into specific cuts. What makes ostrich meat so valuable is its unique profile. Deep red in color, it looks like beef at first glance, but nutritionally, it's in a league of its own. Low in fat, low in cholesterol, and high in protein and iron. For health-conscious consumers, it offers the taste and texture of steak, without the drawbacks of traditional red meat. The most prized cuts come from the thighs and legs, where the muscles are lean yet tender. These are vacuum-packed and chilled immediately to preserve quality. In upscale restaurants across Europe, Asia, and North America, ostrich fillets are presented as gourmet alternatives, often marketed as the healthy red meat. Even here, nothing goes to waste. Organs, fat, and bones are processed for byproducts ranging from pet food to industrial materials. This whole animal utilization maximizes profitability, ensuring that every bird delivers value far beyond its meat. Behind every ostrich steak plated in a fine dining restaurant lies a carefully managed chain of breeding, science, and precision farming. To the diner, it's a delicacy. To the farmer, it's the payoff of patience and planning. If ostrich meat appeals to chefs and health-conscious diners, its skin and feathers captivate an entirely different world. luxury fashion, and high-end design. Ostrich leather is one of the most recognizable and sought-after exotic materials on the planet. Its signature feature is the raised quill pattern, the small circular bumps left behind where feathers once grew. This texture gives the leather an unmistakable look that designers prize for its elegance and rarity. The process of turning raw skin into luxury leather is painstaking. After careful removal, each hide is cleaned, softened, and treated through weeks of tanning. Colors are applied in rich, vibrant tones, and every step is overseen by specialists who ensure the final product is supple, durable, and flawless. A single high-quality hide can be worth hundreds of dollars before even reaching a workshop. Luxury brands like Hermes, Gucci, and Prada have long incorporated ostrich leather into handbags, belts, wallets, and shoes. These items often sell for thousands of dollars, marketed not just as accessories, but as statements of exclusivity and status. The feathers, too, play their part in global markets. Light, soft, and flowing, they are a staple in fashion shows, theatrical costumes, and even interior decor. From the extravagant headdresses of Rio's Carnival to feathered gowns on Paris runways, ostrich plumes remain symbols of elegance and spectacle. Together, leather and feathers often generate as much income as the meat itself, proving that in the world of ostrich farming, nothing is wasted. Every detail of this bird, from its hide to its plumes, finds a purpose in industries driven by beauty and prestige. What began as a niche market has grown into a resilient global industry worth billions of dollars each year. Ostrich farming thrives because it is versatile. Meat, leather, feathers, and eggs all feed into different markets. If demand for one product drops, others keep the business afloat. This diversification makes ostrich farming far more stable than many other forms of livestock production. South Africa remains the undisputed leader, producing more than 70% of the world's ostrich exports. Namibia, Australia, the United States, and several Latin American countries are also investing heavily in ostrich farming, attracted by its high returns and relatively low environmental footprint. Compared to cattle or pigs, ostriches consume less water and feed for the amount of meat they produce. They also grow quickly, reaching market size in just over a year. These traits have led experts to consider ostriches a sustainable alternative in a world searching for efficient ways to feed a growing population. From African savannas to modern farms on nearly every continent, the ostrich has gone from an exotic curiosity to a serious player in global agribusiness. It's not just farming, it's the future of sustainable luxury and protein. From their dramatic courtship dances to the runways of Paris, ostriches prove that even the strangest animals can drive some of the world's most fascinating industries. Their lean red meat, luxury leather, elegant feathers, and giant eggs have turned them from desert dwellers into global commodities. But beyond the products lies a bigger story: how science, precision, and tradition converge to create an industry where nothing goes to waste. If this journey into the world of ostrich farming surprised you, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe for more eye-opening stories from the hidden side of global industries.